In this video, I'm going to show you how to transcribe YouTube videos to text using free AI tools. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. Let's select a video from YouTube to transcribe. Open YouTube. Let's select this video. Double-click on the address bar and copy the video link from here. Let's open a new window. In the search bar, search for Tactic YouTube Transcribe. This is the link we are looking for. Let's click on it. Paste the YouTube video link here and click on Get Video Transcript. Here you can see that the transcript is ready within a few seconds. Click on Copy to copy the transcript. Click on the Windows button and launch Notepad from here. Paste the copy text here. The transcript is here, but the timestamps are included in the transcript. But we don't need the timestamps, so we will remove the timestamps using another AI tool. Let's open a new window. In the search bar, search for timewipe.deepachnis.com. Both links to the AI tools will be attached in the description. Go back to the previous webpage and copy the text again. Come back to the TimeWipe webpage and paste the text here. Now click on Clean Timestamps. Here you can see that the timestamps are removed. Now click on Copy Clean Text. Close the webpage and open Notepad again. Select all the text by pressing Ctrl+A. Now paste the clean text by pressing Ctrl+V. The top 3 lines of the transcript are a signature of the AI tools, so delete those. Here you can see that we have transcribed a YouTube video.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.